Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on the VIVO V29 Lite. You can see that you already have a folder pre-installed called Google on your phone. You can see that when there is more than 9 apps, you can scroll through pages of the folder. And to create your own folder, just press and hold on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another one and release, and now the folder has been created. You can add more and more apps on top of that, as many as you want. You can open the folder and click on its name to rename it. And you can remove apps from it by dragging them out and placing them on some space on your home screen. When there is just one app in the folder gets deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.